Missouri reported more than 1,200 new coronavirus cases in the last 24 hours, which is a number that has not been registered since February.
Tonight, health experts are voicing concern about the unvaccinated population. News 4's Jenna Ray is live with the new COVID concerns for our community. Jenna?
Sam and Corey, I'm live here downtown, right outside the Dome, where Olympic trials are happening just through those doors. And with the increased traffic here in downtown St. Louis this weekend, doctors have a warning for those of you at home who are unvaccinated. That warning is stemming from an increased cases and hospitalizations happening in Springfield, Missouri as we speak.
Most of the deaths that are occurring now in United States are occurring in unvaccinated people.
Dr. Anup Katyal says that's the same for new cases of COVID-19 as well. A majority of those new cases coming from the Delta variant.
This Delta variant is 60 times more transmissible than the original wild type virus. That's the original SARS-CoV-2 virus that we had. And 2 times more risk of hospitalization.
Over the last year, Dr. Katyal has been doing telemedicine with patients in India. In the last few months, he says he's seen the Delta virus take a tremendous toll on friends and family.
I think it would be reasonable to say that it is more deadly than the original virus.
That's why doctors and response teams here in St. Louis are still on edge.
We're not done yet. I mean, the pandemic isn't finished, and there are still needs that the most vulnerable populations in our region are still facing.
St. Louis's regional response team tells me right now they're still assisting regional hospitals with immediate needs like PPE. Both Dr. Purnell and Katyal say vaccines are the best way to alleviate not only the spread of COVID, but the fallout and damage to the most vulnerable as well.
We know that it's the reason why we've seen the steep declines in cases, and these vaccines are effective almost 100% in keeping people out of the hospital and dying from COVID.
Local doctors tell me that the increase in cases and hospitalizations happening right now in Springfield is because of a lack of vaccines in the area, lack of vaccinations, rather. When we take a look at Missouri state data, the St. Louis County area is only 10% more vaccinated than Greene County. And Corey, that's the county that the Springfield area is in. That area, of course, of concern right now.
We are not out of the weeds yet. All right, Jenna, thank you. As you heard in Jenna's story, many deaths are happening in those who are not vaccinated. And new research tonight further shows the impact of COVID shots. An Associated Press report finds that nearly all COVID deaths in the U.S. now are people who were not vaccinated. There were more than 18,000 deaths last month in the U.S. 150 of them were fully vaccinated people. That equals about 0.8%.